So now implementing this function notation, say for example we have f of x is equal to negative x squared minus 6x plus 4, and then g of x is equal to 3x plus 1. We want to find each of these. So f of x, or f of negative 3, go ahead and find your equation that corresponds with the f. So that'll be this equation, and then go ahead and plug your negative 3 in. So f of negative 3, this is going to be equal to a negative, and then negative 3 squared minus 6 times negative 3 plus 4. And then if we simplify this a little bit, we'll have negative 9 plus 18 plus 4, which is equal to a 13. Again, we'll use that f of x equation, but now we're plugging in r. So this will give us a negative and then an r squared minus 6r plus 4. And this is going to be equal to negative r squared minus 6r plus 4. Now we'll go ahead and implement the g. So g of r plus 2, go ahead and find your g of x. And now we'll be plugging in r plus 2. This will be 3 times r plus 2. And then we're going to go ahead and add the 1 on the end. So this will be equal to 3r plus 6. And then that's going to be equal to 3r plus 7.